What's up, guys? It's Movie Horror here, back for the Blue and Fergie Thursday. Today's unboxing will be for a DVD of a horror spoof movie. That is for Shriek. If I know what you did last Friday 13th is on, of course, is on DVD. And it stars Julie Benz from Buffy the Vampire Slayer, Angel, and Dexter. And it also stars the actor who plays Jonathan in Buffy also. So there's a front, spine, back, if you want to read details and special features. DVD disc. So yeah, movie collectors, that was my unboxing of Shriek, If I Know What You Did Last Friday 13th on DVD. If you like this video, please comment and subscribe. Comment below letting me know what's your favorite spoof movie of all time, and if you're excited for Scary Movie 6. Thank you.